As I've been promising in some of my videos, I would do a review of the IKEA Vardagen carbon steel pan. And this is a 20 centimeters in diameter big pan, and this is the mid-range out of 3. And in inches, it is this much. And yeah, I've been cooking with it for about 3 months, and I'm fairly happy about it. That means I don't use it for everything, so versatility is not necessarily the key here, but lightness, quickness, heats up fast, and especially what I mainly use it for, or actually what I only use it for, is eggs and vegetables. I don't cook meat, because if you want a good searing, you want something that can contain the heat, obtain the heat in a better way, which would be like the buyer. And this, yeah, this happened, but it's smooth and it cooks fine. Anyways, as a comparison, you can see here the thickness of the iron is it's very different actually. So this means that this would, when it's hot, it will contain the heat in a much better way compared to this one. But that's all right, because what I'm going to use it for is, as I said, just eggs and vegetables. If you look at the design of it, it's really flat. Nice handle, which means it could go on a top rack in the oven, with very close to the broiling, to the broilers, compared to the buyer. So there's a big difference in the ergonomics. It's fine, because what I use it for is just, you know, small things. One thing I don't like too much about it is the heat retention in the handle. It goes to the handle quite fast, so quite fast it becomes warm. That's all right, you can solve that with something like this. This is just something I had my aunt make for me. One thing I really dislike about the design of this pan is here. Whenever you rinse it under water, water gets stuck in this, and it's much more prone to contain water than, for example, the buyer, which is almost kind of closed up here. Here, the gap is bigger. I don't really like that, but I really like the shape, and as I said, for what I'm using it for, it's perfect. And so far, in spite of not being too fond of this gap, 3 months of use, I don't heat up my pans after I wash them or anything like that. I don't even oil them. It hasn't rusted. It's fine. So maybe it's not such a big problem. Anyways, now I will show you how the pan performs. I'll show you a little bit of vegetables, and I'll show you a little bit of eggs. I want to make an omelette.